All right, next one is to blend two colors, essentially a two-color graded wash. So instead of starting, let's play with these colors over here. Instead of starting with water and blending it into dark, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with purple. This purple is very strangely colored. So you're kind of at the mercy of whatever color of the watercolors we've got here. Is you're going to go from purple, and I think I'm going to mix that purple with blue and see what happens. So I activate my blue. I got to work fast. Remember, when you're doing these kind of bleeding washes, you want to work fast so that you will notice when I get into that center part, what's happening? The blue and the purple are mixing. And if I pull it slowly, now it's, you kind of want to avoid that line. You want it to kind of fade evenly into each other. So you're pulling one color on one side, the other color on the other side, and kind of mixing them in between so that there's not like a heavy mix line, so that it kind of bleeds from one to the other. This is one of those times when you do actually want watercolor to bleed. Unlike what I was saying up here, where you wanted to like you want this line to be a line, then you want to let it dry. If you don't want your line to be a line, if you want it to go from one color to another, just like a gradiated wash, you don't want to let it dry. So there are two kinds of ways of getting from dark to light, where each color is distinct and then each color blends. Watercolor does a really good job of blending, but it can also do the nice straight edges. You've just got to wait for it to dry.